Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.